So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Predfort. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurrafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Before telling you the dangerous side effects of this medicine, I want to give you an introduction of it. So let's start. Its brand name is Predfort and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is prednisolone acetate. It is a 5 ml sterile ophthalmic suspension in which there is prednisolone acetate in 1% concentration. Its manufacturer is Barrett Hoxton and it is an allergen product. It is an steroidal eye drop and it is used to treat inflammation caused by the infection or due to injury. So basically it reduces the inflammation and it's a very good and effective medicine. Okay, I'm opening it and taking out its leaflet. So now let's discuss its danger side effects. It has effect on our immune system. It can cause immune system disorders such as hypersensitivity reactions, urticaria. In the urticaria there is a lesions on the skin and there is a red kind of bumps on your skin. This medicine also affects our nervous system. It can cause nervous system disorders like headache, which is the pain in head. It can also cause eye disorders such as cataract. It can cause cataract if you use it in a wrong way. It can also cause eye irritation, means there is an irritation in your eye, pain in the eye, and eye penetration if especially in scleral or corneal perforation. It can cause perforation if your cornea or sclera is thin due to any reason, so it can cause perforation, which is very dangerous. It can damage your eye. It can also cause foreign body sensation, means the patient may feel that he or she may have something in his or her eye. It increases intraocular pressure, which is very dangerous. It damages the nerve of the eye and can damage the eye. It can also cause mydriasis and also ocular hyperemia, which is the redness of eye. It can cause ocular infections. Why? Because it suppresses the immune system, causing the bacterial, fungal and viral infections. It can also cause blur vision and visual disturbance also. In GI, it can cause dysgeusia, which is the loss of taste. It can also cause side effects on our skin and subcutaneous tissue, in which it can cause rashes. An important thing about this that it is not used in pregnancy and lactation because it can cause harmful effects on the fetus. As in the animal it was tested, in the animal fetus there were many abnormalities, so that's why it is not recommended. And in breastfeeding it is also not recommended. Why? Because it can enter breast milk and through breast milk it can enter the fetus and cause effects on the fetus too. It can also affect the ability to drive and use machinery, means the patient should avoid driving and also using of machines. It can cause delayed healing and it can also cause bleb formation, means if there is injury and if there is a wound in the eye, its healing would be delayed and may cause decreased healing. This eye drop should not be used for more than 10 days because it can cause more severe side effects. Another dangerous side effect of it is that it can cause tolerance, means the patient can have tolerance from it and also addiction, and if it is suddenly stopped, means it can also cause withdrawal symptoms too. So that's why we have to use it carefully. These side effects were reported by the patients when they use it and also were studied on the patients that these side effects occur. That's why these are written here. These side effects occur when you use it in a wrong way, used in a high dose or used for a prolonged period of time, or you suddenly withdraw it or self-medicate yourself. Then these side effects occur. If you use it in a normal way or use it correctly, then these side effects would be less. You will be thinking that what are the uses of this medicine then? So I have separately made this video on its uses. It's a very good and effective medicine. As you can see, it is just in 1% concentration and it is giving its anti-inflammatory activity. So I have made a video on it too. You can also visit the description and From there you can click the link and watch it. Okay, so that's for today. For more detail about its medicine, its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, so for all of the details you can consult your pharmacist for it, and do not use it without consulting your ophthalmologist. So that's what today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, please write in the comment section. I will reply you. And if you want to buy this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. Also tell me your opinion that you like the video or not, and in future what medicine information you want to know, you can also write in the comment section about it. So now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers too. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.